Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Shankar Dewan Official. Today's topic is not just about impressing unknown people, it's about building confidence, believing in yourself, and walking the path toward success. 1. Believe in yourself. The first step to impress anyone and achieve success is to believe in yourself. Always remember, if you don't trust yourself, how can you expect others to believe in you? Think about this. Every successful person started with a belief, I can do it. Whether it's school, work, or life, self-confidence is the foundation of your success. Say this with me right now. I am capable. I will achieve my goals. Start your day with positive affirmations. Look in the mirror and remind yourself of your strengths. 2. Show your true personality. People are impressed by those who are real, who don't pretend to be someone else. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Imagine meeting someone who tries too hard to show off. That doesn't impress anyone, right? Instead, be honest, kind, and stay true to yourself. Let your personality shine. Remember, being real will always leave a stronger impact than being fake. 3. Set goals and take action. To impress others and achieve success, you need goals big or small. But here's the secret. Don't just dream. Take action. For example, if you want to improve your speaking skills, start practicing today. If you want to score good marks or achieve success, take small steps every day. No one became successful overnight. Hard work, consistency, and focus are your keys to success. Write down your goals and track your progress daily. 4. Be confident in front of people. When you meet new people, don't be scared or shy. Stand tall, smile naturally, and speak with confidence. Even if you feel nervous, remember, fake it until you make it. Take deep breaths, maintain eye contact, and speak clearly. People are inspired by those who carry themselves with confidence. Confidence doesn't mean you're perfect, it means you're brave enough to try, no matter what. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. To stay motivated, surround yourself with people who encourage you. Positive energy is powerful, it keeps you moving forward. If you spend time with those who pull you down or make you feel less confident, it will be harder to stay motivated. Find people who lift you up, who remind you of your potential. In the end, never forget, success comes to those who believe, work hard, and stay positive. No matter what others say, stay focused on your journey and trust the process. Your time is now. Don't wait for tomorrow to start. Build your confidence, believe in your abilities, and you'll not only impress others, but also achieve your dreams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Shankar Dewan Official for more motivational content and tips for success.